I'm Dr. Deepthi, associated with Faculty of Management Studies, Manav Rachna, for almost 12 years. A lasting impression is priceless. Brands cast lasting spells on us consumers. Our world is full of brands, companies, and products. It is necessary to sharpen your axe with marketing mantras.
Hello students, my name is Professor Gautam Srivastav and I am a Faculty of Strategic Management at the Faculty of Management Studies at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Strategy is a must for any business to sustain competitive advantage. Hence, strategic management deals with strategy formulation and implementation to ensure organizational effectiveness.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Surbhi Kapoor and I teach communication, professional competency and employability skills. I'm also into placement and industry connect. The common thread that binds my subjects is to make MBA students a better mix of task, team and transferable skills like structured communication, result orientation, critical thinking, problem solving, decision making. B, a better fit in terms of job, role, corporate fitment and adaptive agility.
Hello my dear students, an MBA HR from Manav Rachna provides you with an excellent opportunity to network, learn and get mentored by industry leaders and stalwarts who have experimented with analytics.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyanka Singh. I have an academic experience of more than 18 years and I am associated with Manav Rachna since last 6 years. My area of teaching and research is marketing, which is an integral and indispensable part of any business. And in fact, marketing is a lot more complex than selling and just being a business function.
Hi, I'm Dr. Farhat Mohsin. I have been associated with Manav Rachna since last 7 years in the area of international business and economics. Gone are the days when businesses were confined just to regional, local and national markets. We now live in a world where international trade is expanding, technology is advancing.
Hello, I'm Dr. Meghna Chamra, Area Chair Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management. Entrepreneurship is not only a career option, but it is more about having an entrepreneurial or intrapreneurial mindset. It is a set of skills that enables a learner to identify and make the most of opportunities.
I'm Shilpa Arora, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Management Studies and part of Manav Rachna from 12 years. My area of expertise includes international business, logistics and supply chain management, which talks about how global companies are created and running their business successfully in global context with the adoption of strategies. Global companies are the order of the day.
Hello friends, in this competitive business environment, it is very essential for the budding managers to have conceptual clarity and sound knowledge of quantitative techniques in solving management problems.
Hello, my name is Dr. Stuti Sahani. I am associated with Faculty of Management Studies and Manav Rachna for more than 10 years now. It is said, a job well begin is half done, and that is what our MBA program is all about. With subjects like marketing and strategy, it helps us in teaching our students how to not only modernize the management of existing businesses, but also to take managerial decisions. We at FMS believe in inculcating and enhancing skills of our students from the beginning to make them effective and creative leaders of tomorrow.